Welcome to another installment of TFA Today. Our guest today is Representative Ed Butler. Can you tell us what your district is and what your committee assignments are?
Well, I have a very large district, District 41, which includes Overton County, Morgan County, a portion of Fentress County, the southern portion of Fentress County, a small portion of Roane County, and the northern portion of Anderson County. So it stretches from Overton County all the way over to Knox County. So it's a very large district. I'm on the Transportation Committee, Education and Administration, Higher Education Subcommittee, and I'm on State Government and Corrections Subcommittee.
What are your thoughts regarding the need for the special session that Governor Lee has demanded?
Well, I don't really think there's a need for it personally, but the governor has a constitutional right to call us into session and to open up whatever section of the code he wants us to address.
At this time, what are your thoughts regarding the red flag law or extreme risk protection orders that Governor Lee is seeking to allow the government to seize guns from individuals who presently can legally own and possess them?
Well, I can't speak for the other districts in Tennessee, but I know District 41, based on the number of emails and phone calls and so forth that we've gotten, feel the same way that I do. And they are adamantly opposed to any red flag gun laws. I am as well. I believe it potentially denies folks their constitutional right, especially without due process. And, if you're going to violate somebody's rights, that would violate my oath as a representative.
What alternatives to a red flag or ERPO law do you think should be considered by the legislature?
Well, I don't know that there's necessarily an alternative to that. I believe there might be some things that we need to look at as a General Assembly to maybe address some of these juveniles that have a juvenile record, that have some of these very serious crimes, rape, murder, some of those types of things. And then once they age out of the juvenile process, they really get a clean slate a lot of times. And so there may be something that we could potentially look at in that area. But aside from that, I'm not sure that there's not anything I have seen so far that I would support in relationship to that.
Do you have any other thoughts on the issues that we've talked about? Maybe something that I haven't asked?
No, I think you've pretty much covered it. There's a lot of folks that I've seen a lot of misinformation put out by some folks that'll say that 80% of Tennesseans want red flag gun laws, and based on the feedback that we've gotten from District 41, I think they're 99.99% against any red flag gun law. So I don't know where they get their statistics, but in rural Tennessee, we are adamantly, including myself, opposed to red flag gun laws.
Representative Butler, I appreciate you taking your time today to come in and talk to us. We have an opportunity to put this before the membership of TFA across the state. I think it's very important that our membership gets an opportunity to hear what our legislators think about it. And hopefully we'll have an opportunity after the special session, if it's called, to visit again and see what your thoughts were on how that went.
Absolutely. I appreciate you having me on today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
If you learned something today that was beneficial, hit the like and subscribe button. It helps get our message out and sell the brand. Check back for more content as often as you can. You can find our website at www.tennesseefirearms.com. If you are new there, click the subscribe button on that page as well to receive free email updates about issues that affect your Second Amendment rights in Tennessee.